Are you trying to decide between Todoist and TickTick? You're not alone. Many people want to know which task manager is better for their needs. In this video, we will compare Todoist and TickTick to help you make the right choice. Both tools help you organize your tasks and boost your productivity, but they have some key differences. Todoist is a popular task management app. It has a clean design and is easy to use. You can create tasks, set due dates, and even add labels. Todoist also offers a karma system. This lets you track your productivity over time. It's great for people who want to gamify their task management. On the other hand, TickTick is another strong contender. It also allows you to create tasks and set reminders. TickTick stands out with its built in calendar feature. You can view your tasks alongside your events. This makes it easier to plan your day. Plus, TickTick has a Pomodoro timer. This helps you stay focused while working on tasks. Now, let's look at the main differences. Todoist is more minimalist. It focuses on tasks and has fewer features. TickTick, however, offers more tools like a calendar and a timer. If you want a simple experience, Todoist might be for you, but if you need extra features, TickTick could be a better fit. When it comes to pricing, both apps offer free versions. Todoist has a premium plan for advanced features. TickTick also has a premium option, which includes additional tools and customization. In the end, if you prefer simplicity and a clean interface, go for Todoist. But if you want more features and flexibility, TickTick is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.